Guten Tag, YouTube. Welcome back to another video. In today's video, I'm going to introduce futures, how to buy the MES, which stands for the Micro E-mini S&P 500 Global Index. It's essentially an equity index that is replicating the returns of the S&P 500. Now, in the world of futures, you can't buy the S&P 500. You can't buy an index. However, you can trade the returns of that index. That's what the MES does. So, we're going to type in MES. As you notice, it says Micro E-mini S&P 500 Stock Price Index. So we click on this. We go to futures. That's what we're trading. And you'll notice right away, it gives me several expirations. That is because MES or ES have 4 expirations on an annual basis. There's one expiration in March, one in June, one in September, and of course, one in December. So we're going to select the December one. However, if you want to select another expiration, you are more than welcome to do so. There's nothing stopping you from selecting 2022, December, September, June, or March. But for the sake of this video and the sake of simplicity, we're going to select the December 2021 expiration. Then we're going to hit MES. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is a big number. Does that mean I'm going to have to spend this much to trade the underlying asset? No, not at all. Scroll down. You'll notice here margin requirements per contract, per one contract. The initial margin is approximately $2,000 USD. The maintenance margin is approximately $1,800. That is what you're going to have to put up as collateral in order to open a position in MES. It's not going to cost you $4,300, not at all. So, click on buy. You can always review. It'll tell you your account buying power, available to trade, your settled cash, your equity with loan, initial margin, and the maintenance margin. Essentially, I know this number and this number here is different from these two numbers. That is because the initial margin here is simply what you had in the beginning plus these two figures. That's how they get these new ones. So your overall portfolio maintenance margin, should you open this position, will be approximately $6,000. That's what it means. Scroll all down to the buy order, and you can select how many quantities you want. For the sake of simplicity, we'll just keep it at 1. If you want to select a market order or a stop limit, you're more than welcome to do so as well. However, I'm just going to keep it simple and select limit order. That's my favorite order type. The thing here, when you're buying MES, you cannot select any price. The selection is not continuous. It's much more discrete. You have to select a price that is in increments of 25 cents. So if I put in 43.80 and 75 cents, it's most likely going to get filled. However, if I put 43.80 and 74 cents, that's not going to get filled because it needs to be in increments of 25 cents. So I could select this. I could select this. Can also select this. Can select 75. And if I wanted to, I could select 43.81. It's very important. When you're inputting your limit price, it needs to be in increments of 25 cents because that is the ticker. That's the tick rate. It does not work for any other number. If you put in 43.81 and 23 or 24 cents, this is not going to get filled. Okay? So please bear in mind, it needs to be written in ticks of 25 cents. That's the increment. So we place 25 cents. and then we'll hit submit buy order, and voila, that is how you buy futures, specifically MES, using Interactive Brokers. Hope this helps. Thank you all for watching. Have a wonderful day.